Although James Harden may not be winning MVP awards, the rest of the basketball shoe business is still under siege from his Adidas Harden Volume 9 model. In the new Core Black, Footwear White, Warm Vanilla colorway, the Los Angeles Clippers' 9th signature model with the 3 stripes has surfaced, just as February draws near. Although the shoe's subtle color scheme has been used in earlier Adidas basketball models, the Harden Volume 9's aggressive design makes it stand out in a novel way. The darkest shade of the group is chosen for the outer shells, which give the appearance of movement with their raised curved ornamentation. The combination of materials used to make the inside bootie of the hoops shoe returns to a crisp white appearance. The off-white, warm vanilla color of the sturdy traction solution gives the NBA-ready sneaker a more casual vibe. Look forward to official look of Harden's next Adidas basketball sneaker. The anticipated price of $160 will be available on adidas.com on May 26, 2025.